Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ryan Ponce. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to use a camera tool in Excel. Excel camera tool is an option to capture a live picture of a cell or range of cells. In simple words, the camera tool helps you to copy a range and create a live picture, and you can paste that picture anywhere in your worksheet. If you make any changes to your original range, that will reflect in the image as well. So I've made a sample data here, just a dummy data for product sales, let's say for year 2019 and year 2020. And I've also created a simple graph or chart. And from here, we're going to create a camera tool. So let me show you the camera tool. It's this small icon here. But if this is not visible, you're going to have to go to Customize Quick Access Toolbar, More Commands, change this into All Commands, look for the camera, and add it. It should be here. So let's go ahead and select this. So I'm gonna stay here in camera worksheet and select the camera, select anywhere in the worksheet where you want to place the camera, and you can resize the camera. So here's the default reference. It's on A1. We'll be changing this into, you'll start with equal sign and um, go to your chart. Let's start with 2019. We'll select D1 up to L15. Okay. So the chart is only from column E up to K, but we've selected the larger range for the camera just to ensure that the entire chart will be captured. So as you can see here, the camera was able to capture the chart. You can then resize this. There you go. All right. Now we'll do the same with 2020 sales. Click on camera, select anywhere in your worksheet, resize, change this into 2020 D1 to L15. There you go. And then you can just resize it. Now to get the same size, you can check this one, right click, size and properties. You're just gonna do the same size here, or let's just make it 8 for the height and 16 for the width. Let's remove the lock aspect ratio. It's 8 again. There you go. Then we'll do the same size for year 2020. 8 and 16. Okay. Now they have the same size. Let's say I'll go to year 2019 and add or fill colors here in D1 to L15. Let's say it's yellow. It will be reflected in your camera. If you have additional text here, it will be reflected. If you change the numbers in your table here, which is the source of the chart, Let's say for the laptop, we'll change it to 8,000. So the graph was changed, and so is the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna show you another trick to make it more presentable. So we'll go to developer tab. Oh, before that, we will rename um, this so we could use them with our VBA code. So this one, the default name is picture 14, and this one is picture 15. We'll go ahead and change it to, let's say, 2019 sales. We'll say it's 2019, and the other one, of course, is 2020. All right, we'll go to Developer tab, Visual Basic, add a module. We'll create a sub procedure. Let's say, yeah, year 2019 from sheet camera shape name 2019. I want it to be visible. Then the other camera will be removed. So this command is saying that the camera for 2019 will be visible and the 2020 will not be visible for the moment. So let's go ahead and try. So if we run the macro, oh, there's another picture here. Similarly, we'll make 2020 visible, or in short, we'll reverse it. All right, so let's place it here. This here. So let's add a command for 2019 and 2020. I think the size got changed. 816, this one. Got changed. Let's see. There. So from two different tabs, two separate charts, they were combined in camera worksheet. Now you could um, possibly be more creative and make a more presentable design. That's actually everything that you need to know from Camera Tool. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.